All right, guys, listen up. This is huge. OfferLab just killed ClickBank. And today I'm going to show you exactly why this platform is going to flip affiliate marketing upside down. If you've ever been confused, stuck, or frustrated trying to make money with ClickBank, what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. Now, before we dive in, let me give you some context. ClickBank, it's been around for decades. It's a big old marketplace where you can find digital courses, ebooks, software. You pick one, you promote it, you earn a commission, and hey, it works. People have made millions with ClickBank, but here's the truth. ClickBank is old school. It's a one product, one payout game. And if you're brand new, it feels like pushing a boulder uphill with no leverage. That's where OfferLab comes in. The big shift, collaboration. Here's the secret. The number 1% of top affiliate marketers don't just promote one product, they create super funnels. And that's what OfferLab gives you the power to combine offers, stack upsells, and launch a funnel that pays you on multiple levels. Instead of sending traffic to some random product you don't control, you can pull in different offers from multiple creators, bundle them, and boom, you've got one funnel that prints money. This isn't theory, it's happening right now. Real example, let me show you how it works. Inside OfferLab, I can pick my AI Freedom Launchpad program and make it the front end offer, 40% commission. Cool, right? But I don't stop there. Next, I can grab Instaprofit System from another creator, 60% commission, and boom, that's my upsell number one. Then I grab Online Income Lab, 50% commission, and that's upsell number two. Guess what? In minutes, I just built my own super funnel with multiple income streams stacked together. That's impossible with ClickBank. With ClickBank, you're locked into one creator's upsell path. With OfferLab, you create your path. Why this is a game changer. Beginners can literally copy and paste a funnel and start earning in 24 hours. Creators can upload their own products and get affiliates promoting them instantly. Affiliates can earn 40%, 60%, even 100% commissions depending on the product. And here's the kicker, OfferLab is 100% free to join. That's right, free. And if you want to take it further, there's an optional certification upsell that lets you double your commissions and use my white label bonuses as your own. That's insane leverage. Why you need to act now. ClickBank is still out there, but it's the old way. OfferLab is the new way. It's collaboration, it's multiple income streams, it's done for you funnels you can plug into today. And the crazy part, we've already done over $13,000 in just a few days testing this thing. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the first link below, sign up for OfferLab. It's free. Watch the next page closely because the certification option is where the real money is. Clone my funnel, grab my bonuses, and launch your super funnel today. This is the moment where the industry shifts. You're either in on OfferLab or you're stuck fighting over scraps on ClickBank. I know which side I'm on. Let's go.